What up? Alright mate, check this out. We've got ourselves another Landrover Defender. It's a bit crusty, needs some work, it's in a bit of a state. Currently sat in it just now in the midst of Storm Dudley, which has just hit Glasgow. Car's been off the road for about 4 years. Guy says it needs a new chassis, which I might well do, but first plan is to just see if I can get it roadworthy, try and get out on the road, see how the engine is, see how the gearbox is. We have said goodbye to the chimneys. I'm pretty sure the chimneys are just made of butter, some sort of Japanese butter. I'm not enjoying this clutch. It starts to bite down here. Oh, let's take it all apart. Fuck all fluid in here. And it's black. Yeah. Look at that. I didn't have the right tool, so I just cut a slot in this. It's just an old spanner. I'll try and fit it over this pipe. Oh, okay. It's gonna work, I think. It might take a bit of time, but I don't even know if you can see it in at the moment. Alright, so that's loosened it enough to get it just with this. Again, I have no idea if you can see this, so this might be one of those bits of footage that just gets lost. I don't know what this bracket was for, but out of the way. Alright, that's free now. Right, get your number 13 bit. Righty tighty. You should be able to take out these. How many are we looking at here? 3? I know, I think there's more up here. I might have to try and take this bit off. This interior is just not up to standards. Oh, a little big flag there, I never noticed that. Okay. Right, all of the 6 bolts are out. You see it's free now. The hard bit is going to be getting the fucker out. Let's take this air filter out of the way. I don't really want to have to do this. Airbox moved out of the way. Here we go. Oh, she's out. Wow. There's fuck all fluid in there. Do you think I could have just put more fluid in it and it would have worked fine? I suspected that wasn't going to stay clean for long anyway. Well, it seems solid enough. I think I can probably get away with giving it a nice bath in some Radox. Get all this crud off, and I will disassemble it, put this spring in the bin, give it a nice lovely coat of hammerite. I guess that just pops out somehow. It just pops out, Cam. It just pops out. How do you actually take it out though? Oh, you push those together. Oh, that wasn't that difficult. Oh, there you go. That's that part out. Alright, I got my Work Zone Aldi spanners, so I'm not messing about here, boys and girls. And this one? Oh yes. Oh yes. Which way is left? Is it stuck in here maybe? Come on! Ouch! There was a metal gasket on here that I just kind of peeled off there. I bought some new rubber boots for it. Well, I've ordered them. But nothing too fancy, just a liberal coat of Hammerite should prolong the life of this. What am I doing? I take this in here. Number 16. Right, take. Right. Is that a washer? Just like new. Just like new. Well, I got the slave cylinder out as well, which is pretty dirty under there, really oily. There's no plug in the gearbox, so all the oil's just come out. So I guess you put that in there like that and then just put in these screws. Somehow, there's one. Right.
My Insta stories.
Yeah.
So normally for one story, it used to take about over 30 minutes to load.
Yeah.
It literally took 30 seconds.
Really?
Yeah.
It's way better, isn't it?
Over it.
So I got one of these L.O.F clutches. Apparently they're supposed to make it 45% lighter than normal. I'm not really sure how, but anyway, this is the old spring, and I guess this one just swaps in like for like. We got the spring itself, and then we got the new bushes. So try and remember how they came out. Maybe just pop those in like that. Just one. That's really hard to get in, especially when it's not in the car, because everything just moves about. I don't know if this is in the right way. Presumably it is. What the hell? Is that how it's supposed to work? Well, the clutch pedal's back in. When I put the clutch box back through from the engine bay, one of the tabs disconnected on one side, and the guy in the video was like, oh, it's much easier once it's in the car. It's not. It's really not. Watched a video last night, and the guy was able to show how to just gravity bleed it. I'm going to try it myself, but I don't know. I don't know if this will work. I'll try it. then go down to the new master cylinder. Tighten it back up. Okay, it's going down a bit more now. You can see it pouring out the bottom. I guess you just close it up now. Not getting that quick enough. Right. It's not closed down there. Top it up a bit. I actually think that might be it. You have to remember to, when you're installing the new slave cylinders, to keep the bleed nipple to the top so you can let the air be at the highest point. And now push that down. The clutch starts about here. With the new like L.O.F spring, it's kind of like it's almost like it's in stages now. You get used to it, so it's not like one continual smooth movement. It's like assistance to here, then you get your resistance from the actual fluid in the clutch system, and then you push it down and you've got your clutch travel about that much there. Obviously I'll need to get the battery back in and take it for a bit of a drive to see if it needs any further adjustments and if it is working correctly, but I think that's good. It's good, I could do it all basically by myself, so without a second pair of hands. So yeah, and I've got my my new door here, so I'll take it out for a drive and we'll see how I get on. I'll just go around the block really, but hopefully that's the clutch done. It does feel much lighter, which is good. Cool, alright, well that's about it for this episode, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.